So let's learn how to use these extra tools that they can actually be quite handy. So for example, let's say that you like this section. What you can do is copy this. So let me show you what it will do. When you click on copy, you can actually select an area that you want to copy. All right. And you can actually scale this, where if you press W, you will go for the move gizmo. You press E, you can rotate this. You press R, you can scale this. Okay, so you can also click here to change the gizmo. And what you can do is to actually move it a little bit, just like that, and make sure you also grab the height. So let's say this is your section that you actually want to copy. So you go for copy data to gizmo. And what you will have, if you move it, you will see here that it's turned yellow. You can actually move it and rotate it if you want. And what you can do is to actually use just like any other tool in your Windows, Control V to paste, and you will paste the data just like that. Now you will see that it's not exactly the same. You have the tool strength to 0.3, so it will be a little bit weaker. If you go for 1, you will have like the extra value, the exact value. So if I can just go here and press Control V, and you will notice that it looks the same because I'm using the tool strength to 1. So very handy tool. You can go and change this and copy the data for this hill, for example. Let's say you like it. Copy data to gizmo, and now you can move it around, paste it. And another thing you can do is to actually scale this non-uniformly. You can scale it up if you want. Scale it like this. And press Ctrl V. And what you will see now is that I actually have the same hill I created here. I can just copy it and paste it. And the same happens here. The same happened here. So when you have like a pretty area on your landscape and you actually want to fill some sections of it, it's very handy tool. Now select, I don't really use it. Sometimes it's like you want to mask, for example, you want to mask this and then you want to sculpt. So when you sculpt, like you don't affect the mask like this. So somewhat useful, but let's just go on clear and just leave it like that. All right. So if you don't want to affect some areas of your landscape, then definitely select. It's gonna help you to not change those areas. All right. So last but not least is gonna be the mirror. Honestly, I never use this one, but it's basically gonna do what you see here. It's gonna mirror. So if I click apply, it's gonna mirror the entire landscape like a perfect mirror. And you know, it's kind of those weird tools that it's very situational, but you know, it is there. All right. So Blueprint, we're gonna talk about it later. This is a Blueprint tool that, if you remember, we activate our plugins where we can go for landmass. Blueprint, it's what we're gonna use to create our landscape. But before that, we're gonna go to manage, because there is still a couple of important things that you need to know from here.